Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week and ready for a super fun weekend. What's the plan? Let me know in the comment down below. I am off work, so yes, weekend off means a lot of crafting happening, which is really good. Guys, today the freebie is this one here. So it's a page designed using my Lucky Bingo digital papers. So this kit here is huge. It's split into two, so you got all the numbers. When I designed these digitals, the reason why was that I was looking at eBay to buy a vintage bingo that was so expensive, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna make my own. So these digital papers that you guys can print, you can print them on actually cardstock and make your own bingo. So you have a page with all the numbers from 1 till, is that 99 or is it 99? Is it 3, 6, 9, 10. I'm not sewn 100 though. Anyway, between 1 and 90 something. It's begging me now. This is it 66. Anyway, you get it. So you got few pages with all the numbers in different colors. So you got them in red, black, blue, olive green, green, and pink, and purple. So you got loads of numbers, and then you got a couple of pages with the actual bingo cards. These will make fabulous ephemera. And also, guys, I've done this in different colors. So what you can do as well, if you fussy cut this and fold it in half, make a super cute little notebook or junk journal, mini junk journal, or even sticky notes holders. Oh, I love these things. There is a page with all the cards, but literally in a half, so you get a smaller size. So you get 10 on this page, and it's all in blue. There is one in black, one in green, and one is this really nice deep wine burgundy color. So you get quite a lot of pages. We've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Wow, big, very big, large kit. So you get 14 pages. If you guys wish to check it out, I will put the link down below. But today you get this for free. As usual, guys, 2 ways. One is to get this on a newsletter, which I will put the newsletter here on the screen so you get the gist of what it looks like. It's a lovely email that I send every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There are some papers of the videos of the week, the papers of the week. There is always a discount code just to tempt you with some goodies. And also, guys, there is a freebie attached. Okay, so to get the previous freebies, because by the time you watch this video, the email will already gone out, you can download the rest, this one and the rest of the freebies. It's about 200, 300 freebies on my Facebook group. Let me show you where. Okay, guys, so this is my Facebook group, Antonio Makes. This is the banner of the group, so you make sure it's me. So on my Facebook group, you see the freebie I shared, and also all other talented crafters that showcase their work using my papers, but not necessarily. They use their own papers as well. Lovely messages, project shares, my videos, etc, etc. So as you can see, it's a very interactive platform. You can either click on recent media and then you will see everything that is being shared. To find my freebie, if you click on files, you see here, this is the recent one, which is the 5th of July, but you will see everything I have shared on here. Okay, so this is all the freebies, literally going back to the Christmas ones, etc, etc, etc. So please go help yourself. What you do, so this is the name of the freebie. If you click on the three dots, you click on download, and the PDF will be downloaded into your computer or iPad, whatever you're using. Okay, have fun and happy crafting. Okay guys, that's it. So check out the Lucky Bingo digital papers. Again, all the links are down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my newsletter so you don't have to do anything. An email gets sent to you and you just open it and download it. Simple as. I've done the hard work for you. And then, yeah, join the Facebook group. It's a very interactive platform. There's myself and other creators that share project. You've got tons ideas and inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Big thumbs up if you like my freebie, because you tell YouTube that you like what I make. Okay, and it's really nice when you do that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a wonderful weekend, and until Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.